How to fix there was an error opening this document. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to fix the file is damaged and could not be repaired error. Now, the first thing you want to do is open up any web browser. Here I've opened Google Chrome. Now search I love PDF, then click on the very first website, which is ilovepdf.com. You will find different options over here. You want to scroll down a bit and find the option of repair PDF. Click on that. Now here you need to upload the corrupt PDF. Click on select PDF option. Now you simply want to find and click on the PDF which has been corrupted. Now click on open. Now click on the repair PDF option. As you can see, this task has been processed successfully, which means your PDF has been fixed. Now click on download PDF option. Once it has been downloaded, double click on this, and as you can see, you can easily open the PDF without facing any error. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.